Hi, I'm Maddie, and welcome to Chickens Busted. I'm going to show you the characters. I'm Maddie as the mom, and yeah, just the mom. This is Bella as Michelle and DJ.
Hi.
And this is
Yeah.
Kira as Stephanie and the babysitter. So we hope you enjoy Chickens Busted. Here we go.
Your lips are moving. Your lips are moving. Your lips are moving and your la 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 baby. Your lips are moving. Your lips are moving. Your lips are moving and your la 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 baby. Boy, look me in my face. Tell me you're just not about this face. You think I should be replaced? Nah, I come from outer space. I'm a class girl. I'm gonna hold up. You're full of something, but it ain't up. Go find somebody new. You can buy me diamond earrings, $99.99.
Get in bed, Michelle. You're not supposed to be up at 11:30. Stephanie gets to stay up special because the variety show's tomorrow and she needs to practice. But you need to be asleep, okay? Because you're only 3 years old. Night-night, honey. Mwah.
Yes, you can, 'cause she's not sleeping.
You gotta do.
So, what did you think?
I think you need to go to bed.
Fine, but I'm sleeping with Michelle.
Oh, not again. Drama, drama, drama.
Mommy, I need to go talk to DJ.
You're not supposed to. You are supposed to be in bed.
Just let her. DJ always stays up until 12.
Fine, you got 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3. You two, go. 4, 5, 6. 30 seconds to myself. There we go. I think I'm going to watch the chicken show. Let me make myself some coffee. Womp, womp, womp. Dark roast. Beep, beep, beep. Ah, just the way I like it. Now I'm going to turn on the chicken show. Okay, let me get this.
I want to watch the chicken show too.
Stephanie, you were supposed. It's been way past 30 seconds. In bed.
No, I want to watch one episode of the chicken show.
Fine, one episode. Take a seat. Okay. I'm gonna flip the channels. Chicken show. Here we go.
I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt. And that concludes the chicken show today. Watch some more so I can get some more to ching.
It's off. Oh, that was a short episode. And cut. 1 o'clock the next day. DJ. Oh, DJ. Have you finished your report?
Mom. No.
What, Steph?
I need to go over to my friends to do this report.
What friends?
Okay, so I need to go to Alyssa's and Alexis's.
Okay, but you better be back by 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Bye. Why haven't you finished your report? It's 1 o'clock. I've given you 3 hours.
Mom, I just wanted to read. And I know what's going to happen. You're going to get a babysitter.
This is in the trash.
I'm calling my boyfriend. Say mine.
I'm calling a babysitter. Ding, 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 a ling,
Hi. Hello?
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Alyssa.
Okay, perfect. How old are you?
Oh, can I just tell you something?
Yeah?
Stephanie, I'm Stephanie's friend.
Oh, okay.
Stephanie
I thought you were supposed to be doing a report.
I know, we
with
just finished. But Stephanie just wanted me to tell you that she needs to go over to his friend's house real quick.
Okay. Well, you need...
Oh, and I'm 18, so that's just the end.
Okay. Can you be here in 30 minutes?
Yeah, sure. Who am I watching?
You're watching DJ. She's 2 years old.
I thought DJ was 16.
No, you're talking about Michelle.
Oh, okay. I sometimes get them mixed up.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
See you in 30 minutes. Oh, does she get diaper rashes?
Oh, yes, a lot.
So I'll go buy them, shouldn't I? I'll go buy diaper cream.
Okay, good. Bye. Bye. DJ, get in bed. Now.
Stop. I'm not too. Making me feel bad.
You're in bed.
No, I'm not. Hi.
Oh, here's the babysitter. Come on in, Alyssa.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm one of Stephanie's friends.
Yeah, blah, blah, blah. I don't care.
Get in your bed. Stop. Put these away.
Well, I'll be in Los Angeles.
Do I need to buy her a crib? This doesn't look like a bed.
Yeah. You can buy her a pack and play. I'll give you the money for it.
Okay, thank you.
How much do you charge a day?
$1.
Awesome.
That's it. That's stupid.
All right, well, I'll be leaving you. I'm just going to pack my...
I think I have a leftover crib. I left it here when Stephanie was here for her when she was little. So should I just grab that? I have it. You guys still have it. It's right here.
All right, bye. I'll be off.
Oh, could you help me put her to bed? She only wants to go to sleep when you're here.
I have to go.
Okay,
Bye.
but she's not getting up. Get up. I'm 18. No, what?
All right. Here we are at the hotel check-in center. Awesome. Okay. Hello, what's your name? My name is Anna. I'm sorry, I was texting Anna. I was thinking of Anna. My name is Becky. All right, Becky. Is your last name Lamberg? Yes, it is. You'll be in room 107 on the 6th floor. Okay, thanks. Bye. In the elevator. Ding. Okay, here we are. 107, 107. Oh, here it is. Take my whole huge luggage bag in here. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, nice. Perfect. I haven't got a chance to brush my teeth. Oh, I need to close it. Okay, now I'm going to bed after I unpack my huge luggage bag. 30 minutes later, I'm done. I'm going to go to bed now. Seriously, construction at this hour? Good night. 10:30 in the morning the next day. It's already 10:30? I need to get checked out. My checkout time is 11. Bye, hotel. Lobby. Ding. Hi, what's your name? Becky Lamberg. All right, I hope you'll be staying at another Hampton Inn sometime. All right, I will. Bye. Okay, now I need to get to the chicken show. Where might that be? I'm going to go here. Oh, wait. This isn't the chicken show. This is the Delilah show. Huh. I have to go somewhere else. May I get a map? I was going the total wrong way. Here.
About to start.
Okay.
10 minutes. So please find your seats. Ding, 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 a ling, a ling, a ling, ling. Ding, ding,
Hello.
ding, a ling, a ling,
Tickets,
ding.
please. Here you go. All right, you'll be in row D88. All right. Hi. D88. Here it is.
That's $8,000 for my lucky star. $8,000 for my lucky star.
I hope the show will be starting soon.
And autographs are only $5.
I'll get one.
Where would you like me to sign your iPad? I know you brought an iPad in your bag, so just let me go grab that and I'll sign your iPad.
How'd you know I had an iPad in my bag?
Because I can see it in plain sight.
Okay.
Let me grab it. Okay.
Are you starting now?
Yes, I am. And I'm going to throw my lucky scarf. Let's see who catches it. Your lips are moving, your lips are moving, your lips are moving, and your la la la, baby. Your lips are moving, hey, your lips are moving, your lips are moving, and your la la la, baby. Boy, look at me in my face. Tell me you just heard about this boy. You think I can be replaced? Nah, I come from outer space. I'm a plastic dog. I'm gonna hold there. You fold something, but it ain't up. Go find somebody new. You can buy me time and
This looks exactly like my daughter's scarf.
So goodbye, bye, 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 bye. I know you're lying. Your lips are moving. Tell me, do you think I'm dumb? I might be young, but I ain't stupid. Walking around in circles with your tongue.
Awesome! Woo! Standing ovation! Wait! Hold it!
What's to hold? I'm gonna sing my next song. Cause you know
You're my daughter!
About the habits. No dribble.
Why didn't you tell me you were the star of the chicken show, Stephanie?
Because, chicken show people never tell their parents.
And you made me pay $5 for an autograph.
Of me. Yep, I did.
Busted! Thank you, America! Thank you, America, or any other place you live! Busted.
Busted chickens.
Busted
chickens!
Thank you for watching Busted Chickens.
And then we sing the song.
Here's our ending song.
I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt out Pizza Hut.
I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt at Pizza Hut.
Thank you for watching Busted Chickens!
Thank you, bye!